What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Shopping in Korea. The brand that we're actually talking about is CLIO. Let's get right into it. Kill Brow Auto Hard Pencil. Look at the definition on that. That's gonna give you a very clean line on your eyebrow. This is so relaxing, like ASMR. It makes your eyes look bigger, like completes your look. Very natural. Hello, hello.
The other type brow pencil, this is KBeauty tattoo pen.
Tattoo pen.
Yeah, tattoo pen.
Ooh. This one is going to stay on for days if you want to.
And the other side, more thinner pen.
Oh, that's the dual in the tattoo pen. Oh, there's a remover pen. Look at that, it just disappears. Almost like 3 pens in one because you have a thicker tip, a thinner tip, but also the eraser pen. This is magic.
Next one.
CLIO Pro Eye Palette.
You are going to K-pop star.
I'm gonna be a K-pop star. Guys, this is my debut.
Gorgeous.
Oh, I love it. I definitely need this palette because you could play around with all these different colors. I look like a different person, right?
You're perfect old lady.
Oh, did you guys hear that? I love it. This was the CLIO line of KBeauty Cosmetics. I want to thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to join us next time on Shopping in Korea. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.